been Sparky's birthday weekend, and oh my goodness was he spoilt. Not only did he have a birthday cake on Saturday and Sunday, he has another birthday cake and lots of other presents. So he got 2 bags of the minty treats, which just smell amazing. He got 2 bags of the blueberry and banana treats, which are actually my favourite. Even though obviously I haven't tasted them, I just think they're the nicest ones. And then we've got 2 salt licks, as well as a mane and tail detangler and a lovely bucket to keep everything in. Thank you so much to everyone who joined us on Sparky's birthday weekend.
We're going to sing happy birthday to Sparky and Anna, okay? Sparky and Anna, because Anna's birthday as well. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sparky and Anna. Happy birthday.